Morning.
Hello, good morning. Yes, how are
How are you,
you?
sir?
I'm good,
Thank
thank you.
you.
What about you?
I am also good, sir. Thank you.
Hmm. Let's start. Hmm.
Okay. So, okay. The question is the story is the thirsty crow.
Hmm. Yes. Hmm.
Okay. One crow, one crow was who wandering here and there because
You should
he was
say you
thirsty.
should say there was a crow. Hmm.
Who wandering here and there because he was thirsty.
Wandering नहीं हो सकता क्यों? कौवा ऐसे नहीं घूमेगा, कौवा उड़ेगा।
Flying.
हाँ, was
Who
flying.
flying?
Hmm.
Who flying? Who
Who
was
was
flying
flying?
here and there?
Hmm.
He peed one pitcher under the tree
Hmm.
and found few water. He tried to drink the water,
फ्यू नहीं
but
होता, फ्यू होता है जो चीज गिन सकते हो आप।
okay,
लिटिल।
little water. He tried to drink the water, but no success because water level is
नो
very low.
सक्सेस कुछ नहीं होता, बट नो सक्सेस ये तो मतलब काम चला हुआ इंग्लिश हो गई।
Okay.
बट नो सक्सेस नहीं।
Hmm.
वो एक मजदूर था, उसको इंग्लिश नहीं आती थी सऊदी अरेबिया में। वो पाइप में काम करता था, फट गया तो एकदम गैस लीक हो गई। तो बॉस के पास आया, बस उसको इंग्लिश में एक ही शब्द आता था, सर सर सर। वो सर 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 फिस। तो बॉस समझ गया, अब अंग्रेजी नहीं आती, बट he served his purpose. So what we should say, but he could not succeed. Yeah, but it could not succeed. पूरा सेंटेंस आराम से मस्ती में, इट कुड नॉट सक्सीड। इट किसके लिए यूज कर रहे हैं? कौवे के लिए। क्योंकि ही शी नहीं कर सकते अपन, तो जानवर के लिए, पक्षी के लिए, हवा के लिए, बारिश के लिए इट यूज करेंगे।
Okay. Spellings of succeed, SUCCEED.
अरे कहाँ है? सक्सीड वर्ब होता है, ठीक है ना? तो सक्सेस होता है नाउन।
But he could not succeed because water level is very low.
इज नहीं, was
Okay.
पास्ट में।
Because water level was very low. He put stone under the pitcher one by one.
ठीक है, उससे पहले उसने सोचा, it thought an idea, it collected some stone pieces near the pitcher, फिर उसने डाले उसमें, ड्रॉप छोड़ता गया वो, it dropped stone pieces into the pitcher one by one.
He dropped stone pieces under the pitcher one by one.
Under नहीं, into the pitcher.
अच्छा। So under क्या हुआ, into में क्या हुआ डिफरेंस?
घड़े के नीचे डाल रहा है क्या?
Okay.
घड़े के अंदर डाल रहा है?
अंदर, okay. Into the pitcher one by one. Sometime later, water came in his mouth reach.
Water level came up.
Oh. Sometime later, water level came up.
यार
And
rose
he
up भी कह सकते हो. Rose up.
rose up.
Rise, rose, risen. बढ़ गया. Rose up. The water level rose up.
Okay. He drinks water and
Drinks क्यों है? ये past है ना. पीता है. He drinks के पिया. He drank. पिया.
he drank.
हाँ, he drank. He
He
drank
drank
water.
water and quenched his thirst.
Quenched.
Quenched.
बुझाई. तो सेकंड फॉर्म हो जाएगा quenched his thirst.
उससे पहले वाला क्या बोला था? He drinks.
He drank. It drank. It बोलेंगे ना. पास्ट में drank.
Drank. Okay, drank. He drank water and quenched his thirst.
And flew away. और उड़ गया. उड़ेगा नहीं. बैठा रहेगा वहीं. Will he keep sitting there? और उड़ जाएगा. He flew या it flew away. उड़ गया. To enjoy his life. To enjoy his beautiful life given by the God.
God. Sentences. I had no pen. I had no home. I had no beautiful ring. I had no car. A boy had ball.
But these sentences are past indefinite, not past perfect. Past perfect कहाँ है ये? मेरे पास नहीं था. I had no home. I had no pen. मेरे पास पेन नहीं था. ये तो ये बन रहे हैं.
हाँ.
पास्ट में कहाँ बने? पास्ट परफेक्ट.
I had no pen. मेरे पास पेन नहीं था.
तो ये पास्ट परफेक्ट कहाँ है? पास्ट परफेक्ट है ये. ये तो पास्ट सिंपल है. नहीं था. I had no pen. I had no car. I had no home. मेरे पास घर नहीं था.
Okay. Which song had boys do before we came?
Which song?
Song had boys do before we came.
Do क्या होता है?
Do the songs are SUNG. Sung.
तो संग लिखो ना. Do कहाँ से आ गया?
We had reached home before it rained. I had already heard that news.
Heard नहीं होता, heard.
I had the bell ring before I reached the school.
Rang.
No. I had been drinking milk out the carton when mom walked into the kitchen. I had been working at the company for 5 years when I got the promotion. I had been walking 3 miles a day before she broke her leg. The program that was terminated had been working well since 2019. I had been expecting you to come late. Came last week.
Hmm.
I had been arrested for drunk driving.
चलो ठीक है. Hmm.
They had been friends.
Hmm.
They had been friends before fight.
Hmm.
We had tried to sell our car, but nobody buy it.
क्या we
We tried to sell our car,
Hmm.
but nobody buy it.
nobody
Buy it.
buy क्या होता है? bought. Second form. Nobody bought it. अब ये मिस्टेक नहीं करो यार, ये सिली मिस्टेक है ये कि आप पास्ट में ही नहीं लिख रहे आप, तो ये तो आपको ही करना पड़ेगा. इसमें कोई समझने की चीज नहीं है. सेकंड फॉर्म तो लगेगी ना पास्ट में.
I had been a great holiday until we had the accident.
I had been.
It had been a great holiday
ठीक है.
until we had the accident. She may not come here tomorrow. They may play here. It may rain tomorrow. May I borrow your lighter?
Why? Do you want to light a cigarette?
Yeah.
Do you smoke cigarette?
No, sir.
Do you drink?
No.
Okay. Do you have non-veg?
Yes.
Because you are best Thakur.
Yes, sir.
Yogi ji is also best, I think. Huh?
Yes, sir. Correct.
He is from Uttarakhand. But he doesn't have non-veg.
Because he done some Hindutva something, na? May I everyone attention?
May
I everyone attention?
Verb. Where is verb? May I have.
You may as well ask your friend to advise.
What does it mean?
You may as well ask your friends for advice.
Couldn't understand the meaning. There is no verb. You may as well क्या होता है?
You may take.
You may take.
As well as your friend for advice.
मतलब क्या कहना चाहते हो आप?
तुम इसके लिए अपने फ्रेंड से भी एडवाइस ले सकते हो.
So you may have an advice from your friend as well.
As well. You may catch our horse from the train.
You
may catch our house from the train.
You may catch our house
from the train.
मतलब
You may catch sight SIGST of our house from the train. My brother may
from
have
the train, through the train.
through the train. My brother may have to be operated on for the neck injury.
Couldn't understand.
Ravi may well be glad about the result of the test.
इतने सारे क्यों बना डाले ये के? अभी तो मॉडल पढ़ोगे बाद में.
I will ill do this.
I will ill. ये क्या हुआ?
So I will do this.
I will
do this.
तो I'll do this बोलो ना. I will ill तुम बाद में बोल रहे हो. I will ill. I'll
do this.
I will भी बोल दिया, फिर ill अकेला बोल रहे हो.
We will not come tomorrow.
We won't come. We won't come.
Okay. We will not have to go to Mumbai. You will not have to repent. Ram will not have to do this. We will
कैमरा आपका लटक जाता बार बार क्या?
नहीं सही.
कैमरा लटक जाता है क्या बार बार?
नहीं तो सर मेरा लैपटॉप वाला कहता है. अच्छा,
तो नीचे कैसे हो जाते बार बार?
तो मैं ऐसे कर देता हूँ इसलिए.
अच्छा,
लैपटॉप उठा देता हूँ थोड़ा. I will go to the cinema tonight. He will play tennis tomorrow. She will be happy with her exam result. We will take the bus to the South Extension next week. Finish.
Okay.
So you give me some topic and say that we make some questions.
Let me tell you first future continuous.
Okay, sir.
Future continuous tense means something which is happening in future. उसके लिए हम यूज करते हैं subject plus will, may, might, this is the formula. If you think something is going to happen in continuous, in future you will use will. Like मैं ट्यूसडे को आपको पढ़ा रहा होऊंगा, तो मैं आपको पढ़ा रहा हूँगा ट्यूसडे को. I will be teaching. I will be teaching you on Monday. This is future. But may, might, must भी यूज करते हैं in sentence में. But this is not the future condition.
But sir, one more thing. मतलब B भी आएगा ना इसमें साथ में ऐड होगा.
आएगा ना. B नहीं लिखा क्या? लिखा तो है मैंने. लिखा तो है B.
हाँ.
I will be teaching you on Monday. लेकिन अगर प्रेजेंट में हो यही चीज, तो लेस पॉसिबिलिटी है तो मे माइट यूज कर लोगे. स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉसिबिलिटी है तो मस्ट. लेकिन कैसे? इन विच सिचुएशन? सपोज I ask you. Before I
One
ask,
second,
huh?
One second, sir.
Hmm.
Sorry, sir.
Hmm. Suppose I ask you, I couldn't listen.
Hello?
Where is your mother? Is she living with you?
Yeah, right now.
And father?
Father in my hometown.
Okay. I ask you, what is your father doing right now? It's a question. Listen. What is your father doing right now? But you are here. Your father is in hometown in some other city. You can't see him.
Correct.
You can't see him.
Correct.
आपको दिख तो रहे नहीं है वो यहाँ से, पर एक आप अनुमान लगाओगे कि वो इस समय शायद खाना खा रहे होंगे.
Might be.
हाँ, might be या may be. तो आपने कहा may be eating food. तो खा रहे होंगे, लगता तो फ्यूचर का ही है. पढ़ा रहा होऊंगा, पिताजी खाना खा रहे होंगे, लेकिन फ्यूचर में नहीं खा रहे हैं, अभी खा रहे हैं प्रेजेंट में. उसका अनुमान लगाया मैंने कि शायद खा रहे होंगे, तब वहां पे मे माइट मस्ट यूज करते हैं. अब अगर स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉसिबिलिटी, खाना खा रहे होंगे, खेत में काम कर रहे होंगे. पिताजी कहाँ है? अरे वो तो खेत में काम कर रहे होंगे इस समय. He must be working. He must be working in the field right now. आपसे पूछा, what are your children doing? They must be playing outside. बाहर खेल रहे होंगे. They must be, तो खेल रहे होंगे ये फ्यूचर नहीं है. आप यहाँ ये नहीं बना सकते they will be playing outside. अगर आपने कहा they will be playing तो मतलब हो गया फ्यूचर में खेलेंगे. अभी खेल रहे हैं पर आपको दिख नहीं रहा है. तो आप खेल रहे होंगे बाहर. पूछते ना बच्चे कहाँ हैं? अरे खेल रहे होंगे यार यहीं कहीं. They must be playing here and there. तो वहां पे आप may, might, must का यूज कर सकते हो. ठीक है ना? तो इस तरीके से आप बनाएंगे. जैसे कई बार हम पूछते हैं या कहते हैं, अरे धीरे बोलो यार पापा सो रहे होंगे. स्पीक स्लोली, पापा मस्ट बी स्लीपिंग. तो मस्ट बी स्लीपिंग आएगा वहां पे, सो रहे होंगे. आप ये नहीं कह सकते स्पीक स्लोली, पापा विल बी स्लीपिंग. तो ये हो गया पापा सोएंगे पर धीरे अभी बोलो. कल सोएंगे लेकिन धीरे आज से ही बोलना कर दो शुरू. इसका मतलब तो ये हो गया, लेकिन अभी सो रहे होंगे यार धीरे बोलो. He must be sleeping.
Might be sleeping was
तो लेस पॉसिबिलिटी ने यार, धीरे बोलो यार शायद सो रहे हो. कन्फर्म सो रहे होंगे भैया, 10 बज गए. He must be sleeping, it's 10. अब तो सो ही रहे होंगे पक्का.
ओके.
तो मे यूज कर सकते हो, लेकिन आपको जब डाउट है, मे बी स्लीपिंग, he may be watching television, he may be sleeping, or he may be reading some books like this. Confirm नहीं है, he may be reading, he may be sleeping, I don't know. आपको पता 10 बजे सो ही जाते हैं, यू मस्ट बी स्लीपिंग। अभी आपकी वाइफ से कोई पूछे कि आपके हस्बैंड क्या कर रहे हैं, तो वो किचन में है, उन्होंने कहा ही मस्ट बी टेकिंग हिज क्लास, वो अपनी क्लास ले रहे होंगे, या सिंपली वो ही इज टेकिंग भी कैसा, ही इज टेकिंग हिज क्लास, ये पता ही है, दिख भी रहे हो लेकिन पता नहीं है, तो इसलिए जब यहाँ पता नहीं है वहां पे आप यूज कर सकते हो, ठीक है ना। ठीक, तो क्लियर हो गया ये। तो इस तरीके से आप फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस यूज करेंगे। नेक्स्ट इज फ्यूचर परफेक्ट। तो फ्यूचर परफेक्ट वही है, इसमें भी आप क्या करोगे, सब्जेक्ट प्लस मे, माइट, मस्ट प्लस हैव प्लस V3 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। तो इसमें भी चुका होगा, चुकी होगी। जैसे मैं ये किताब अगले वीक तक पढ़ चुका हूँगा, I will have read this book by next week। ये तो फ्यूचर की बात हो गई। I will have read this book by next week या next Monday, कुछ भी। I will have read this book by next Monday। लेकिन फिर वही बात आ गई, प्रेजेंट में आपको लग रहा है ऐसा, जैसे सुबह 5 बजे, अब तक तो पिताजी उठ गए होंगे, पर आपको तो पता नहीं है, पर अनुमान है यार उठ गए होंगे, अब तो 5 बजे ही उठ जाते हो। तो माय फादर तो मस्ट हैव है ना, वेकन अप या गॉट अप भी कह सकते हो, ही मस्ट हैव गॉट अप बाय नाउ। He usually gets up at 5. He usually gets up at 5. It means he must have got up. उठ गए होंगे। तो इसी तरीके से ये बना सकते हो आप। लेकिन लाइक इन पास्ट परफेक्ट हमने किया था, लाइक द ट्रेन हैड लेफ्ट बिफोर आई रीच द स्टेशन। ट्रेन चली गई थी मेरे स्टेशन पहुंचने से पहले। इन फ्यूचर में भी ऐसा होता है, जल्दी करो नहीं तो हमारे पहुंचने से पहले ट्रेन निकल चुकी होगी। तो उसमें फ्यूचर परफेक्ट के साथ प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट बनाते हैं फिर, ठीक है। ट्रेन विल हैव लेफ्ट बिफोर वी रीच द स्टेशन बिकॉज वी आर लेट, है ना। तो इसमें फ्यूचर परफेक्ट के साथ प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट बनाते हैं। तो ये हो गया आपका फ्यूचर परफेक्ट। और फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस तो बड़ा रेयर है, तो उसमें वही आई विल हैव बीन डूइंग दिस फॉर एन आवर, कर रहा होऊंगा 1 घंटे तक, ऐसे कम ही बनते हैं, पर है चूंकि तो वो बता दिया मैंने। या जैसे मैं कहूँ आई विल हैव बीन इन दिल्ली next year for 2 days। तो ये फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस हो गया। मैं दिल्ली में होऊंगा 2 दिन के लिए, अगले साल। तो ये सेंटेंस means you make all these sentences based on these illiterate.
Yes.
They are not educated. This is the thing which is means very important, that why they don't understand all these things, that why they should pay taxes, what government does after collecting or with that revenue. They don't know all because they are very poor, they are illiterate. They just understand that they have to earn money and they have to arrange food for them and for their family.
Correct.
So first of all, actually, it is, the people, it is the duty of the people who are in government that they should make a favorite atmosphere, favorable, or you can say
Yes.
a comfortable atmosphere for the citizen to understand that they should pay some taxes, and it is government's duty to utilize that revenue honestly for the
Correct.
welfare of the country. So things are not, up to the mark. So that's why it happens. People don't pay taxes, they don't want to pay taxes. And government is also, I don't want to say anything.
But in other countries, they are taking a 30% of tax and they are providing a high health facility as well as school in high level.
Yeah, in UK.
That's why they are paying, not UK, sir, it is most of the countries.
I know about UK, 30% of the income tax is to be paid on income.
Yes. Other countries also like my one of in the Europe they are living Sweden, US also I think the same thing. But Dubai is not taking any kind of tax in their salary. Nothing.
Dubai, actually Dubai is a different country.
Yeah.
Even means as it is, there is no democracy there. The king is there.
Yes.
And in future the son of the king becomes king. Means the public is public, king is king. Correct. But that king actually, means that system is like that, means the king provides money to the families every month, whether they do work or not, but they are given some money every month, so they enjoy. But only the citizen of the country, not foreigners. Yes. Foreigners like the people from different countries, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, a lot of people work there. Yeah. Their own citizen don't work there. Yes. They just enjoy. But they are not taking a tax from the other countries also. Employees. That I don't know. No. They take tax. Oh. Won't take. I don't know because some foreign companies are also working there in Dubai. So I think they have to pay taxes. But the hospitalization is very costly. That's why they are coming from Dubai to India. India, one thing is very good in India. Health. Health means the expenses of medical. Yeah. Medical expenses are far cheaper than any other country. Yes. A lot of people, even from Australia, UK, America, they come here for the treatment and surgeries because there is a very long queue. If anybody who has any problem and he needs surgery, then they have to be in queue. Wait. Yeah, they have to wait and they have to be in queue for few months. If it is urgent, then it is very difficult for them to survive or to manage. So lot of people come to India for this. It is the same in India also. If you are go to the government hospital, you give you the long date or any kind of Still,
salary.
it's okay, but even in private hospitals,
Yeah,
the
it will
expenses
be
are
cost.
far cheaper
Yes,
than in other countries.
compared to,
Yeah.
yeah.
UK, if you go for any backbone surgery, it might cost you 25 lakh. But in India, it may cost you only 3 to 4 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh. So it is far
Mm.
cheaper here. And doctors are good here.
Mm.
But this time, doctors, okay, leave it. I don't want to say
Mm.
anything.
Okay, so other question is, what do you think about the transportation availability?
Transportation availability
Availability. Yeah.
in India.
Yes, in India. Like whenever you go to the IRCTC and book the train, every time it is full. And still the train is or railway is going to uh, not in profit.
Actually, now I am really very much fed up of the activities going on in our country these days.
Mm.
Really means sometimes I think that I should not have been born in this country. Sometimes really I think because everywhere, wherever you go, only the corrupt people are there.
Yes,
Even if you go to any hospital, corruption is there. If
yes,
you have money, you pay them, then you will get admission there. Everywhere is corruption. Means if you go to railway, if you go to education, if you are ready to pay donation, your child will get admission.
You are talking about the that school and hospital. In last 6 months, I was heard about from one of the friends. They are saying that in the that क्या बोलते हैं उसको जहाँ पर जलाते हैं सर लोगों को.
Ah, yes, there was also corruption.
Yeah. So people are in queue. They are saying that you need a 5 hours if you want to fast. Give us some amount. We will do early. How our mentality is
Corruption,
going to
okay,
down?
corruption is okay. I have problem with this, but that is not that much worse. Corruption because actually the population, because of population, everybody wants to get facility, and if you are
Yes.
rich, you get that early. It's okay.
Correct.
So that is the cause of the corruption. I have no problem with this. I may have problem, but it cannot be, eradicated completely from the society, because it
Mm.
should be, it would be there. It is very difficult to eradicate corruption completely from
Correct.
the roots of the society. But the problem is that the people, they are not, means they have lost sensitivity. Means
Yes.
if you go to any hospital, if somebody is sick in your family, means they have no mercy, no pity that he is a human being. He means groaning with pain, or he is in trouble. Means they don't pay attention to your uh, what we should say, your helplessness.
Yes.
If somebody is poor, suppose, and he goes to hospital in any government hospital or some, still the doctor, they are sitting, but they are not very, they don't understand their responsibility, that they are
Correct.
government doctor, and it is their duty to help people, to help the poor, because they are really poor. It's not their fault if they are poor. If they are poor and if they are in that country, that is country's duty. Actually, it has
Mm.
been written in, our in our constitution,
Correct.
that if nobody will die of hunger,
Mm.
nobody will die of any disease, and everybody will get education and medical facilities. This
Yes.
it has been written in our constitution. It is government's duty. If anybody dies of hunger, the government is to be blamed. That is written.
Hmm.
It is government's duty that nobody should die of hunger, and everybody should get education, medical facilities.
Hmm.
But what governments are doing, you know it very well. Hmm.
Okay, next is what is your opinion in NRC implementation?